On the screen I have given two DAX functions. One is with all, another is with remove filters. So what exactly they do? They give you the same answer. They will calculate the total revenue after removing the filters. Even though you apply a slicer on them, they will give you only the grand total. But here you need to understand one important difference between all and remove filters. All function is not just to remove filters. It can bring all the rows or values in a column, and it is useful to create calculations like percentage of grand total or creating ranking using rankx function, etc. It's also used in advanced scenarios like ignoring filter on a specific column or enabling special calculations, whereas remove filters just remove the filters, nothing more, nothing less. In simple scenarios, both functions or both DAX functions will give you the same answer. But if you want to have some advanced calculations, you need to understand all in a better way. So follow me for more Power BI tips.